Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering various set operations in DBMS. Guys, I have uploaded complete DBMS subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Set operations are used to combine or compare results of two tables and produce a new table as the result. Guys, set operations are used to compare two tables. After comparing two tables, the two tables are combined and new table is created. We call that new table as the result. There are three main set operations. They are union, intersection and set difference. We also call set difference as except or minus. Before applying union, intersection or set difference, these following conditions need to be satisfied. And the first one is both tables must have same number of columns. For example, if you consider these two tables have same columns. That is, this table has two columns and this table also has two columns. So this condition is satisfied. And second condition is corresponding columns must have same or compatible data types. Because for example, if you consider this column is name. This is varchar data type. And for example, if you consider project table, in this table, there is name column. This is also varchar type. So both data types are same. And if you consider second column roll number, this is integer type. And here also there is roll number column, which is integer type. So both columns have same data type. So second condition is satisfied. And third condition is column should represent same kind of information. This column represent names and this column represent roll numbers. Similarly here also, this column represent names and this column represent roll numbers. So columns from this table and columns from this table both represent same kind of information. So condition 3 is satisfied. And fourth condition is order of column should be same. If you consider first column represent name and second column represent roll number. Similarly here also, first column represent name and second column represent roll number. So order is same. For example, here for project, if first column represent roll number and second column represent name, then order is not same. So if you want to perform union, intersection or set difference, order must be same. So condition 4 is satisfied. Now we can apply union, intersection and set difference to these tables. At first I will explain what is union operation. Union combines all rows from both tables and removes duplicate rows. At first I will explain mathematically. A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5. If you observe this both, in set A there is 3 and in set B there is 3. So union will combine all these values, and if there are any duplicate values, that value is represented only once. So duplicate values are removed. So output A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 is repeated twice, but I am writing only once. 3, 4, 5. This is my output. We will apply union operation on these both tables. Table student contains name and roll number, where name column contains name Sai and roll number 12 and Ramesh 13, Suresh 14. And similarly, project table contains name Sai, roll number 12, Shiva, roll number 30 and Nagendra, roll number 40. If you consider this table, in this table, there is name Sai and roll number 12. Here also there is name Sai and roll number 12 for project table. Even if there are two rows, this row is selected only once. So this is query you need to write in order to perform union operation, that is select star from table name. That is first table name student, union, select star from this table name project. I at last give semicolon. So select star from student, union, select star from project. Whenever I execute this query, I'll get output. Both tables are combined and new table is created. This is my output. At first, name Sai, roll number 12 and Ramesh, roll number 13, Suresh, roll number 14. For table project, there is Sai, roll number 12. But already Sai 12 is written here. So this Sai 12 is not selected. And Shiva 30 and Nagendra 40. They are written at last. This is output for union operation. And second one is intersection. Intersection returns only the rows that are common in both tables. Let's for example, set A contains 1, 2, 3 and set B contains 3, 4, 5. Whereas union will combine all rows and then new table is created. Whereas if you consider intersection will select only similar rows. There is nothing but similar values. So in A there is 3 and in B there is 3. This is common value. So output A intersection B, that equal to 3. So only common value is selected from both sets. So intersection returns only the rows that are common in both tables. This syntax, select star from table name student, intersect, select star from table name project. So select star from student, intersect, select star from project. Whenever I write this line of code and click enter, this is my output. In these both tables, name Sai, roll number 12 is common. So I'll get output, name Sai and roll number 12. Similar data from both tables are selected. So output, name Sai and roll number 12. And third one is set difference. Guys, we also call set difference as except, or we can also call it as minus. Set difference returns rows that are present in first table but not in the second table. Guys, for example, set A contains 1, 2, 3 and set B contains 3, 4, 5. If you consider intersection will select only similar type of values, that is 3 is selected, and set difference is opposite to intersection. Whenever we perform A minus B, if we consider 3 is similar here, so 3 is removed and values which are present in set A is selected. So output 1, 2. For example, if you consider B minus A, then similar values are removed and at first there is B. So data which is present in B is selected. So output 4, 5. So whenever we write select star from student except select star from project as row, SAE12 is common in both tables. So this data is removed and data which is present in table student is selected. So I'll get output Ramesh 13 and Suresh 14. Yes, for example, I will write select star from, instead of writing student table, I will write project table. So select star from project except select star from student. Here first table is project and second table is student. Previously we performed student minus project. This time we are performing project minus student. So similar rows, that is SAE12 is removed from both tables and data which is present in this table, that is project table, is selected as output. So I'll get output Shiva 30, Nagendra 40. Guys, if you are using Oracle software, then instead of using except, you need to use minus, intersection and set difference. They will not work in old version of MySQL. Only in new version of MySQL, this both will work.